All right, if you guys didn't notice from my last video, I'm back in Vietnam. Staying around the same place staying at the same building that I stayed at last time in Soho, in Saigon. So it's still early. It's 5:45 in the morning. My coffee lady's not open yet. She's not actually out there yet. So I'm going for a nice little walk, taking you guys with me, show you what's around this area. Let's see which direction I want to go. Let's take you guys this way. I'm going to try not to get run over while I have you guys. But so, cross over, go back. This is Family Mart. This is keep heading out to the main street out here. All right. So, 5:45. There's already a lady selling some food out here. But place is open. One coffee shop open. Got another spot open. I think looks like a gym on the other side of the road. I actually might have to check that out just because Soho does not have a gym at their building. All right, so now we are out at one of the major streets out in this area, which is Dan Hung Dao. So this street gets super packed during the day. Right now, just because it's still early, it's not too busy, but I mean, 5:45 and it's still decently busy. And so yeah, on the other side of the street, there's a ton of businesses. This side, right now, let's see, this is mostly just office space, but as I walk up a little bit, there's gonna be a bunch of stores and stuff. All right, so across the street over there, that Hannum barbecue, from what I've heard, is supposed to be really good. Haven't tried there, but maybe eventually I'll have to check it out. And this is kind of the local hospital. Got another place that's open. I have not tried this one out. 50K for a bowl of pho, that's not bad. Looks pretty roomy inside. All right, and then a juice lady. And this man's got the setup right here. Out just watching football in front. All right, so coming up on the corner of De Tam, I'm gonna take this and head back down around where I'm at. And so got pizza place and all sorts of little shops, but none of these are open yet. And so this, in about an hour, gets packed. It's kind of just a road that a lot of people will end up taking to get through this area. It's kind of a shortcut. So you got a coffee shop here to the left. All right, so I didn't realize that Huỳnh Hoa actually opened up another location right over here. I think they use this one just for their deliveries. But yeah, I just saw it on Google Maps yesterday. I'm very curious. It doesn't look like they actually sell their sandwiches out of that location. There's another bánh mì shop over here. And then this is a pretty big grocery store chain. This one, I might actually have to go check them out later. I've been wanting to get some fruits and haven't been able to find a whole lot of fruit where I'm at. Oh, I see some hanging meats. Let's see what we got here. All right. I see some heo kwai, so roast pork. Got some roast pork here. All right. Might have to go back and check that out. There was a sign for roast pork and roast duck. All right. So some of the vendors are putting their stuff out to sell now. Let's see. There's a hoteo noodle place here. What's this? Vegetarian place? Staying away from there. And yeah, across the street, there's a bunch of people putting their stuff out to sell in the morning. So you got fruits, veggies. I saw a lady earlier chopping up some meat also. But yeah, this area is about to get really busy in about, I'm guessing 15, 20 minutes. But yeah, it's pretty much exactly 6 o'clock and the city is really starting to wake up, at least in this area. And that man is selling oranges for 10K for a kilo. Oh, wait, I just saw something. All right, I'm gonna have to stop back here. This lady's got mangosteens. Okay, scratch that. They're way too expensive. So it's still beginning of the mangosteen season. She wanted 250K for a kilo, which is $10, which is way too much still. So once it gets into the mangosteen season, it should be closer to about 70K, 60, 70K a kilo. So I've been seeing this company around a lot. I've been seeing like their buses and their cars driving around a lot. I think they're kind of like the new tour bus transportation, public transportation vehicles. Um, my understanding is you can basically rent a driver or hire a driver, rent one of their buses, and you pay for like the entire day or by like a few hours, and they'll give you tours around the city, drive you wherever you want, and at least from what I saw, it was actually decently priced. So if you got a big group, I'll try to put their information in the description below, but at least the prices I saw before were not too bad. All right, I'm back at the Soho building. Let me see if my coffee lady's open yet. All right, coffee lady's open. It's 6 o'clock or 6:05, so I think she opens at 6. So I'm gonna wait for my coffee, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, finished my coffee. Time to continue the walk. I think it's time to go find some food. Let's see what else we got around here. All right, so I think I showed you guys these places last time. The Bún Thịt Nướng place is really good. I went there last night or the night before. Let's see. I have not been to this bún riêu place, which eventually I'll have to. And then this is the fried donut or yao jiao wai that I always go to. Oh, these are the buses I was talking about earlier. But yeah, I've been seeing a lot of those ones. Keep walking down this way. This Gao Long place is really popular. It's supposed to be really good. I've only eaten there once, but that was a long, long time ago. I didn't, they're normally open by now, but not open today apparently. Let's see. Got some noodles. Ooh, I eventually need to get a coconut. Haven't had any coconuts since I've been here. Let's see, let's go down this way. All right. This strip oddly has a lot of coffee shops. Uh, this Mountain place is not bad. And then, let's see, another coffee shop. Another coffee shop across the street there. This is the coffee shop my whole family goes to pretty much every time that they're here. And then down this alley, if you guys have seen my video about Being There Coffee, that's the alley that's down. And then this place I've been told is actually pretty solid. A couple of my family members have tried it out and said it's pretty good. And another coffee shop here. So yeah, this strip has quite a few coffee shops. And let's see, I think I'm just gonna head up to this corner and then turn around and then head back to Ko Yang and try to find some food down there. But yeah, this on Ko Bak, a lot of the stuff down there is not gonna be open yet. All right, but so that's just my morning walk for today. I'm gonna be, let's see, I'm still here for a few more days before I head out to the next city. If you guys like stuff like this, check out the playlist I'm gonna put down here. It's a bunch of my other Vietnam videos. But so, holy crap, this street just got really busy. So, like, subscribe, check out the other videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.